Question 18. This question focuses on sentence structure with punctuation. This is another one of those situations where if the sentence just had fewer words, it would be easier to see the pieces. So we have a lot of commas here and we can't quite tell what we're looking at. So let's take out a few words and see if maybe it makes more sense to say, in addition to strategy, complexity, perfecting difficult elements. Oh, so what we really have here is a list of things. When we do a list of things, we say the first one, comma, the next one, comma, and the last one. Okay, so that leaves us with choice B or C. That's the only one that does that list correctly. So what do? We look for what is different between B and C. And the difference is at the end. Do we want a semicolon or do we want a comma? What's the rule with semicolons? It has to be independent before the semicolon. So let's just check and see. In addition to strategy, complexity, and ever perfecting more difficult elements of their sport, well, that's not a sentence. So it cannot be the semicolon. That is a dependent clause, and so we have a comma before the independent clause. And our best answer here is C.